Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and replace text and check spelling in your presentations. Let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to go over is how to find text. To find text, you go to the Home tab, Editing Group, and then you hover over this one here that says Find. It has the magnifying glass next to it. You find and replace text using advanced features such as match case or whole words only. They have a bunch of different features in here, so let's go ahead and click Find. Alright, when you click Find, it'll open up the Find dialog box, and then you have some options here. First off, you need to choose what word you want to find. You click in this box, and let's say I want to search for the word department. I'm going to type in department. It's very important to type the word correctly or it won't be able to find it. Next up, you could choose to match case, which matches the capitalization that you type within this area, and also find whole words only, which will search for the whole word. Alright, next up, I could go to Find Next, and it'll find all instances of the word department within my presentation. So this is a good tool for finding different words that you know you've typed in the past that are somewhere in your presentation. Alright, next up I'm going to show you how to find and replace text. It's also in the Home tab Editing Group, and it's right here with this button, Replace, Control H. And this is where you search for text that you want to change and replace it with something else. I'll go ahead and click on this and it'll open this up. Alright, so right here, it opens up the Replace dialog box, and you will find a certain word and replace it with another word. Let's say that I want to replace the word community with the word city. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to type in community, and then I'm going to replace with the word city. When I do this, I can go right here to Replace All, and it will replace all instances of the word community with the word city. So I click on Replace All, and you'll see it says I've made PowerPoint searched your presentation and made two replacements. So you click OK, and you'll see that now this says city here. And if I do want to find that word, I could always close this, go back to Control Find, and search for the word city, which I see one here, and the other one is down here. Great. So that's how you find and replace text. Finally, the last thing that I'm going to go over is how to check your spelling in your Word doc or in your PowerPoint presentations. And we go to the Review tab, and in the Review tab, you go right here to Proofing, and it says ABC Spelling, and this says Typos, not on our watch. Let us check your spelling. Notice that this does not have a grammar check. So if you want to check the grammar, Microsoft Word is the program for that. So I click on Spelling or F7 on my keyboard, and it's going to open up all misspelled words, and it'll give a suggestion. From here, I could change it. So you can see teamwork is now changed. But notice right above here it says make service a part of your life, and your is you are life. So that is a grammar error. It did not catch that. So it's important to note that the spelling feature in this program does not check grammar. So I'm going to change the word teamwork. I'm going to change fundraising. I could change parameters, and if you see something on here that maybe doesn't have or doesn't need to be changed, you could click ignore all or add to dictionary. So that's how we check spelling. So in this tutorial, I went over how to find words, how to find and replace words, and how to check spelling. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to respond to you. Thanks again for watching, and have a great rest of your day.